Here I'll show you what is inside this breadboard. Okay, so you can see this is the breadboard. So on the back side, and there are connectors. So I'll show you. So first this one, the top one, you can break this one. Okay, so they are horizontally connected here. Okay? You can see from here to here. So there is horizontal connection in this part, and there is vertical connection in this. So you can see there is vertical connection. So I can take any one out. So this is how it is connected. Okay, 5 points on each side. So vertical, there is another one. Okay, from vertical one, I will check it out. Right. In this particular one, there is one single. Okay, all connected. Here part. Here single one up to here. And from here there is break again. This is how a breadboard is connected in backside. So it works for connecting different components. Again, I can put this thing back. So here just place it and press it and press it, and the last one, put it and press it. This is the double tape just for protection, and same here. Okay, I have arranged this and just press. It's done. Connecting back to this wrist, there are locks. Press it.